Who's ready for some overnight oatmeal? Hello, welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to be posting this video about how we make overnight oatmeal. This is our very first time making it. I did not think I was going to like cold oatmeal, but it actually turned out really nice. Check it out. Alright, currently I have had my daughter rinse off the berries for me, and now I am cutting the stem off the strawberries so that I can cut the berries up in order to top the oatmeal. Alright, now I'm going to slice my strawberries and then the bananas in order to top the oatmeal. See that I'm going to be doing these three 16-ounce jars, these mason jars from Walmart. I am using the Quaker Oats Old Fashioned in this video. I am going to be using 1 cup in each jar. Now I will add 1 cup of Blue Diamond Almond Breeze, the vanilla flavor, into the glasses. Make sure you use equal parts. For me personally, whenever I am going to be eating this, I'm going to be putting a half a cup of oatmeal and a half a cup of the almond milk in the future, because the 1 cup of oatmeal was a bit too much for me, but it was the perfect amount for my children.
I wouldn't say perfect. I need a little extra.
I have seen people make these before and they didn't mix it up like I'm doing now, but I just wanted to mix it up to make sure all the oats were equally, touching the almond milk. And I did add a little extra in that very first glass that I just mixed up because it looked like it wasn't enough almond milk in there. So, yes, it's up to you if you want to mix it up or if you don't want to mix it up. All right, here I'm going to begin to add the toppings to the oatmeal. All I'm using in this video is strawberries, bananas, and blueberries. You can use any fruit that you like in your oatmeal, any yogurt. People have seen people put yogurt in there. Anything you want in your oatmeal, you can add it now. As you see, I did have some fruit left over from these 3 jars. So in the future, I will probably make more jars or cut less fruit. Here I am adding 100% honey as a drizzle in the oatmeal just to give a little sweetener. And at the very end of this video, you'll see me add cinnamon sugar, just a few sprinkles. It tasted good. This was a really fun and great idea for kids on the go. I just sealed these with the airtight or seal tight jar lids that came with it. As you see, it's the ball containers, mason jars. So I sealed them up, and the next morning we just shook up our jars and enjoyed it. This is a very easy, quick snack. Even my 5-year-old can make these. Matter of fact, I might make my next video with him making it. You guys enjoy the video and try out your oatmeal overnight jars and let me know how you like it. If you make these overnight oatmeal jars, be sure to tag us in Facebook or Instagram. We would love to see what mixtures and combinations that you use. Thank you. Also, if this video was helpful or you just plain out liked it, be sure to subscribe and become part of the family. Bye-bye.